Okay, everyone, if you are in my house, do not tamper with my household items. Don't. Do not tamper with anything that I own. You don't tamper with my battery-powered LED lights. You don't tamper with my light switches or my electrical light fixtures or my overhead fans. You don't tamper with the HVAC system. Do not tamper with the refrigerator in the kitchen. Do not tamper with my cell phone. Do not tamper with any computers or televisions in this house. Do not tamper with any appliances like the dishwasher or anything like that. Do not tamper with any bags that we have in our house. Don't tamper with any of our clothes. Don't tamper with my fire alarm. Don't tamper with any of the vacuums. Just do not tamper with anything in our house. Don't tamper with that clock on the wall. You must respect my property when you are in my house. And do not touch my stuff. Bye.